She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work.
What's up, guys? About to go through a hair transformation. Oh my god, it's been about 2 years since I dyed my hair blonde, and the blonde has definitely grown out. As you guys can see, my hair is really healthy, and we had fun, but we are switching it up just a little bit. We want to protect the health of my hair because we have been doing a whole lot of protective styles. So yes, Foreign Styles is going to get me together. So guys, as we get started, I'm super excited about this hair transformation just because I've been on this long time journey with my hair and just experimenting of what my hair can take, what it can't take. I am fully natural, but about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, I decided to go blonde. Now my hair could not fully take the blonde. I do have finer hair. So while blonde was such an amazing time with just heat on my hair and the blonde, girl, I don't know, the maintenance on that blonde for a black girl is a little tough. So I am getting my hair colored. I'm getting my hair colored brown. So while I'm still going to be lighter, we are not going to be putting so harsh of chemicals on my hair or lifting my hair so high that my hair can't take it. We are taking my hair actually back down a little bit, but you guys will be able to see how we're going to add that blonde back in there. So we're getting this hair washed. We're at the wash bowl, and you guys will see shortly what color we came out with.
Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you, 'cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go.
For my natural hair service that I'm getting done today, I am adding one bundle of hair in for extra fullness and those blonde highlights that I like. So this hair is from Foreign Styles. I just walked into the salon. They had bundles there for me. So we're adding one bundle to my hair. This is her literally bleaching my bundle because we don't want to do that to my natural hair. You know, let's do this to a bundle. Let's protect the natural hair. So now this is my natural hair. My hair is 100% growing back from the blonde. As you guys see, we have just like a little bit of blonde at my ends. I actually do love this kind of like brown to blonde ombre type of look. So I probably won't, my ends are probably just going to naturally get cut as we do our natural trims and stuff. I'm going to swing around to the back so you guys can see. This is kind of like the place that my hair loves being, like the length that my hair just is comfortable at. You know, we definitely do like 1 or 2 inches longer, which I can't wait to get there. My bang can be a little bit longer, but overall we're mostly back to like the length of my hair that I'm used to. Like I said, we can definitely take really good care of our hair, make sure we get our trims and go for 1 or 2 more inches. But baby, let's add in this hair for fullness so y'all see what my natural hair looks like. Let's add some money pieces, some highlight pieces. Let's make her full but still natural. We're still going for this natural look. The method of choice that we're using is micro links. So this is just a technique that uses a bead on my hair, and this is how she does it.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so rare with it. We could let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right.
Alright guys, so this is our finished natural hair look with micro links added. I absolutely love how this turned out. She added a few more blonder pieces up at the top, which I think just set it apart. Nobody's walking around with my hair, baby, but she still looks, you know, when I walked in the salon, I said, make me look like a wife. Like, I need something short with layers that just gives her, like, I'm trying to secure that spot this summer. We'll see if that's in God's plans. But the hairstyle definitely fit the look.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that.